Hey guys, it's Asheli from Untitled Chapter Reviews, and today we're unboxing the mask box. My cat, of course, is here again. She like appears. Like, I literally didn't see her. I walked in the room and now I'm starting to film and here she is. Anyway, this is a box that gets kids excited about the Bible and about Mass. So it's great for kids 4 to 8 years old, so I'll probably work on these projects with Isabel. Each box has its own webisode that it comes with, like, you know, with all the things that you're working on in that box. Make a craft and read the readings. And then, and this is how it's set up as far as pricing. I'm sorry, I have it all written down and I'm like, okay, let's get this all right. So there's the full kit for one child. That's $24.95. That includes a full month of crafts, Mass and webisode every Sunday. So you get 4 to 6 monthly. Is that what that means? I can't read my own writing. I'll put all the information below as well. I'll also link to my full review, and I'll also link to the mask box so you can check them out. And then there's also the mask box Lite, which is just once a month. It's $12.95, and there is a sibling add-on. So for 2 siblings, it's $39.95 a month. For 3 siblings, it's $54.95, and then for 4 siblings, it's $69.95. So you can add up to 4 children in this box. All right, so let's open it up. All right, so here is our, I'm guessing this is our webisode. It's it says the Christian Broadcasting Network Superbook. This is John the Baptist, so there is that. The cat, oh my goodness, this cat. Okay, so here we have white felt, red felt, stuffing, and chalk. You'll have to use your own scissors. Love God, love others. This is a craft. So, let's take out the little book. So inside is all these little games and things that focus around your readings for the month. So isn't that cool? All right, so there's that. So this, I'm guessing, would be one Sunday. And so there should be like 4, I think, if I am not mistaken. So this would be 1 week, and it does tell you the date here. It says May 6, 2018. So this is the May box. So then the next one would be May 13th, so I am right. This is the Ascension of the Lord. It has you can make this craft right here, and then the booklet is going to have all your little puzzles and games that work with the readings that you're working for on that week. Then we have the week of May 20th. This is Pentecost Sunday. You got the bamboo sticks. You've got kite skin, winder, string, red, yellow, and orange kite tail. So you're going to be making a kite. Oh, that's neat. Experience the joy of Pentecost Sunday, Sunday Mass readings, craft instructions, activity pages, discussion questions, and coloring pages. So if you're interested in seeing how all this comes to life, I will do that in the full review. You can see that. But you just can't really do that in an unboxing video. All right, so then finally we have the week of May 27th, the Solemnity of the Most Holy Trinity. You'll learn about the Holy Trinity. You're going to get yellow embroidery floss, Holy Trinity charm, which is right there. And then all you need to have is tape and scissors for this. So that is everything that I received in the mask box. I will link below to the mask box. I'll also link to my full review so you can check that out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.